Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Simplifi application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Simplifi in the search box. Look for this Simplifi mobile application in the search result and tap on the Get button to start downloading the app. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. And that's how you can easily download the Simplifi mobile application on your iPhone in just a couple of minutes. Tap on the Open button to open the app on your device. Allow necessary permissions such as Bluetooth, notifications, etc. Now log into your Simplifi account by entering your login ID and password. And that's how you can easily download Simplifi mobile application on your iPhone in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.